If you're writing for yourself, put it in your diary. If you're writing for the world, think about the people on the other end of this exchange. As a historian and journalist, I've spent the past 34 years as a professional writer. Writing for the public demands more than facts. It requires clarity, precision, and empathy over jargon and ego. And when it's done well, when it's done right, it creates a connection between the writer and the reader. It challenges our assumptions. It calls us to action. That's what this course is designed to teach you. You'll learn how to use opinion writing to influence, shape debates, shift policy, and even change history. If you are a person who appreciates engaging with information and expression, who highly values the written word, and someone who has aspirations to write themselves, this course is for you. I hope that you will join us for the Columbia Plus course on opinion writing.